Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to marble fondant. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. You can marble fondant with any color that you like. I've got some black, yellow and red, but I'm going to use this. I used this in a video I did previously on how to color fondant, so I'm just going to use it for this video. So you get the bigger piece of the color that you want as a main color. Like this one's going to be white and this color. So I'm going to put this in the middle like that and fold it over and then start to stretch it like that. Okay. Mine is not very pliable, but you stretch. If it breaks, it's okay. You just put the other layer on top like that. Just keep on stretching. Some fondants are a lot better than others, and you'll find they stretch a lot easier. I'm pulling this, putting it on top. It's already beginning to marble. I don't want it to be too mixed in, so I'm going to stop now. I still have patches of white and the orange color that I used. I'm going to knead it just gently, and I'm going to start rolling it out. I'm going to put some icing sugar on there in case it starts to stick. Use my fondant rolling pin. Isn't this beautiful? The colors really go well together. And that's it. This is how simple it is to marble fondant. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.